HDMI High Definition Multimedia Interface Connector. These are only about the size of your thumb. With its ability to transmit crystal clear video at high resolutions up to 8K and booming audio with multiple channels, HDMI ensures you experience every detail from the subtlest tear in a movie scene to the distant roar of a crowd in your favorite game, all at a staggering 18 gigabytes per second. Mini DisplayPort Connector. It can handle high-resolution displays up to 4K, perfect for those detailed graphics and razor-sharp text that make you feel like you're living inside the game. Plus, with a 20 gigabytes per second data transfer rate, Mini DisplayPort ensures smooth visuals without any annoying lag. RCA connectors. Remember those classic VCRs and chunky TVs? RCA connectors were the silent heroes behind the scenes, transmitting both audio and video signals in a simpler analog format. BNC, Bayonet Neal Kinselman connectors. Imagine connecting your camera to a monitor or a video recorder to a TV. That's where BNC connectors come in. A two-stud bayonet coupling mechanism. Think of it like a twist and lock handshake for connectors, ensuring a quick and secure connection for smooth video signal transmission. USB, or Universal Serial Bus Connector. Keyboards, mice, printers, external hard drives, even your smartphone all connect to your computer with a USB. But it's not just about connection. USB boasts impressive data transfer speeds, with the latest USB 3.2 reaching up to 20 gigabytes per second. Ethernet connector, most commonly seen in the RJ45 form. This might seem like a simple plastic plug with 8 tiny wires, but it's the backbone of your wired internet connection. They are used in carrying information between your computers and routers, switches, and other network devices at speeds exceeding 10 gigabytes per second. Coaxial connectors, like F-type and SMA connectors. They're commonly used for cable television, antennas, and wireless communication applications, where even a tiny glitch can disrupt your signal. With their precision-engineered shielding and secure connections, these connectors ensure your data travels crystal clear, whether it's carrying high-definition TV signals or critical information for wireless communication. Terminal blocks. They are the organizers keeping everything under control in industrial control panels and electrical enclosures. Each terminal block provides a safe and organized way to connect multiple wires using secure screw terminals, ensuring a clean and reliable connection that can handle the demands of industrial settings. Pin and sleeve connectors. Designed for high current and secure connections in industrial settings, they're built to withstand heavy-duty use. They ensure a reliable flow of power for machinery and critical systems. Twist and lock connectors are no strangers to high-voltage situations. They feature a locking mechanism that prevents accidental disconnection, crucial for safety in electrical wiring applications. They guard your electrical grid, ensuring a secure connection that can handle powerful currents without a hitch. D-shaped connectors on older computers? Those are D-sub connectors, veterans of the serial and parallel communication era. While not as common today with the rise of USB, they're still found in some industrial applications, holding on to their legacy of reliable data transmission. Power connectors. These come in various configurations, like the familiar IEC and NEMA connectors you see on appliances and other power cords. Whether it's powering a massive factory machine or a delicate control system, there's a power connector built to keep it running smoothly and safely. Deutsches Institut für Normung connectors, meaning German Institute for Standardization. They are circular connectors featuring multiple pins arranged in a circle, offering a versatile connection solution. You might find them on older keyboards, some audio equipment, or even specific industrial machinery. While not as common in consumer electronics today, DIN connectors remain a reliable workhorse in various applications. XLR connectors. These three-pronged marvels are the go-to choice for professional audio applications, like recording studios and live sound setups. Why three prongs? They provide a balanced audio connection, which means they cancel out unwanted electrical noise, essential for capturing pristine, crystal-clear sound, whether it's a heart-stopping drum solo or the subtle nuances of a vocalist's performance. Molex connectors, also known as disk drive power connectors, are the silent partners keeping your machine humming. These little guys provide the essential power supply to your hard drives, optical drives, and cooling fans. The unsung heroes ensuring all your computer components have the juice they need to function. MC4 connectors. These waterproof and UV-resistant connectors are the vital link between solar panels and inverters in solar power systems. They ensure a secure and reliable connection, maximizing the efficiency of your solar energy setup. Modular connectors like RJ11 and RJ12. They're vital for telephone and networking connections. The familiar RJ11 connector with its 6 positions and 4 contacts is the king of landline phones, while the slightly larger RJ45 with 8 positions and 8 contacts is the ubiquitous hero of wired Ethernet connections. Banana connectors. These connectors with their spring-loaded banana-shaped plugs offer a quick and secure connection for various electronic experiments. Imagine them as the Alligator Clips 2.0, easy to connect and disconnect wires for testing circuits or setting up experiments. SMA connectors. These tiny threaded connectors are mainstays in antennas, wireless devices, and come in various sizes to handle different frequencies. Think of them as the invisible guardians of your Wi-Fi signal, ensuring a reliable connection between your devices and antennas. Push-on connectors, the stars of automotive and electrical wiring. These handy connectors use a spring-loaded mechanism for effortless insertion and removal of wires, perfect for making temporary connections or working on electrical projects where you need to adjust wires frequently. TNC connectors. Similar to their BNC cousins, TNC connectors add an extra layer of security with a threaded coupling mechanism. This makes them ideal for high-vibration environments like cars and airplanes, where a secure connection is crucial. Imagine them as the seatbelts of the connector world, keeping everything locked in place despite the bumps and shakes. Fiber optic connectors, like LC, SC, and ST. These connectors terminate fiber optic cables, which transmit data using light signals instead of electricity. With their low-loss design, they ensure a crystal-clear flow of information, forming the backbone of modern telecommunication networks and data centers. IDC, Insulation Displacement Connectors. Imagine a connector that can wire up your network equipment in a flash. That's the magic of IDCs. These guys pierce the insulation of flat ribbon cables to establish a connection, saving precious time during installation. FME for mobile equipment connectors. In the compact world of smartphones and portable radios, every millimeter counts. FME connectors, as the name suggests, are the perfect solution, offering a miniature and versatile design. Think of them as the tiny titans of connectivity, ensuring a reliable connection for your mobile devices despite their limited space. MCX connectors are another space-saving marvel, being miniature coaxial connectors. Don't underestimate their size, though. MCX connectors are commonly used in GPS receivers, wireless communication devices, and even test equipment, proving that big things can come in small packages. Circular connectors. These robust connectors come in various sizes and configurations, built to withstand extreme temperatures, vibrations, and even exposure to chemicals. Imagine them as the super soldiers of the connector world, ensuring a reliable connection no matter how tough the conditions get. PowerCon connectors. These connectors feature a locking mechanism that provides secure power connections for professional audio, lighting, and stage equipment. No more worrying about accidental disconnects during a crucial performance. PowerCon connectors keep the show running smoothly. Speakon connectors, the trusted companions of professional sound systems. Unlike your average headphone jack, Speakon connectors are designed to handle high power levels. With their secure locking mechanism and robust design, they ensure a reliable connection between powerful amplifiers and loudspeakers, guaranteeing crystal clear sound for every performance. MCB, Modular circuit breaker connectors. These space-saving connectors allow for the easy connection of circuit breakers and other electrical components, keeping everything organized and efficient within electrical panels. So next time you flip on a light switch, remember the unseen heroes, the MCB connectors ensuring a safe and reliable flow of electricity. USB-C connector. This innovative connector features a reversible design, allowing for easy insertion regardless of orientation. No more frustration, just a smooth connection every time. And with its impressive data transfer speeds, up to 40 gigabytes per second, USB-C is becoming the go-to choice for everything from smartphones and laptops to tablets and external hard drives. Pogo pin connectors. These little guys utilize spring-loaded pins that make contact with designated pads on the mating surface, ensuring a temporary but secure connection. Think of them as the invisible handshake between your device and its charging cradle or programming tool. Circular mil-spec connectors. Extreme temperatures? No problem. Bone-rattling vibrations? They can take it. Even moisture and corrosion are no match for these connectors. Imagine them as the G.I. Joes of the connector world, crucial for aerospace applications, defense systems, and any demanding industrial setting where reliability is paramount. MC motor control connectors. These guys are the go-to choice for connecting motors to control panels and motor drives. They ensure a safe and secure connection for the high currents and voltages that power these industrial motors. They might not be fancy, but MC connectors are essential for keeping factories and machines humming along smoothly. DIN rail terminal blocks. These clever blocks mount onto special rails, providing a secure and organized way to connect and terminate all those wires. Think of them as the color-coded filing cabinets of the electrical world, keeping everything neat and tidy for easy maintenance and troubleshooting. Batcon connectors are purpose-built for connecting battery cells and modules in battery systems used in electric vehicles, energy storage systems, and uninterruptible power supplies, UPS. These connectors are designed with safety in mind, ensuring a secure and reliable connection between all the battery components. DVI, Digital Visual Interface Connectors. While HDMI may be the new king, DVI connectors are still widely used for transmitting high-quality digital video signals between computers, monitors, and projectors. Think of them as reliable doers, offering a crystal-clear picture without the need for the latest bells and whistles. Plus, with various configurations available, DVI connectors can cater to different resolutions and applications. Euroblock connectors, also known as Phoenix connectors, are silent partners behind your audio, video, and lighting equipment. These connectors provide a secure and reliable connection for both signal and power transmission. Imagine them as the invisible handshake between your speakers, amplifiers, or stage lights, ensuring everything works together seamlessly. No more worrying about glitchy connections or dropped signals. Euroblock connectors keep the show running smoothly. Berg strip connectors, also known as Berg headers or pin headers. These unsung heroes act as the bridge between printed circuit boards, PCBs, or connect the board to external components like displays or buttons. Their secure design ensures a reliable flow of data and signals between the various parts of your electronic devices. RJ connectors. These standardized connectors come in various sizes and configurations, each designed for a specific purpose. The most common ones you'll encounter are RJ11 connectors, the familiar jacks used for landline telephones, and RJ45 connectors, the heroes behind wired Ethernet connections. Circular push-pull connectors. These innovative connectors feature a simple push-pull mechanism, allowing for effortless insertion and removal with just one hand. Perfect for applications where speed and security are essential, these connectors are vital in hospitals, factories, and any environment where quick disconnection might be necessary for safety or maintenance. AC power connectors, following the IEC 60320 standard, keep our appliances and electronics juiced up. These familiar connectors like the C13 and C14 you see on computers or the C19 and C20 on high-powered servers are the ones that connect your devices to the power outlet. They come in various configurations to handle different power requirements. Ribbon cable connectors. These space-saving heroes provide a compact and reliable solution for connecting these internal components within your computer. Their flat design allows for efficient use of space, while the secure connection ensures a smooth flow of data between the various parts of your system. Card edge connectors. These connectors feature rows of contacts along the edge of a printed circuit board, PCB, allowing for direct connection with expansion cards. Think of them as the handshake between your motherboard and the upgrade cards you add, enabling you to customize and boost your computer's capabilities. USB microconnectors. These miniature versions of the standard USB connector are the real magic behind data transfer and charging for our smartphones and tablets. Despite their small size, these micro USB and micro USB connectors can handle a surprising amount of data, ensuring you can transfer photos, videos, and other files with ease. Plus, they keep your devices juiced up, allowing you to stay connected on the go. Magnetic connectors, also known as magnetic pogo pins or magnetic charging connectors. Imagine a connector that snaps into place effortlessly, guided by the magic of magnets. These innovative connectors offer a convenient solution for smartwatches and wireless charging docks. Just a gentle touch, and the magnetic force ensures a secure and reliable connection for charging your wearable devices. Automotive connectors. Automotive connectors come in various configurations, each designed to withstand the harsh conditions of a car's environment. From the heat of the engine compartment to the vibrations of the road, these connectors ensure a reliable connection for electrical wiring, sensors, and control modules throughout your vehicle. Think of them as the invisible crew keeping your car running smoothly and safely. M8 and M12 connectors are the go-to choice for industrial automation and sensor applications. These threaded connectors, available in various pin configurations, are built tough. Their threaded design ensures a secure and vibration-proof connection, crucial for sensors, actuators, and other devices operating in harsh industrial environments. Power distribution units, PDUs. Imagine a concert with dozens of microphones, lights, and instruments, each needing power. PDUs are like the backstage managers for electronics, distributing power to multiple devices from a single source. These units come equipped with various outlets and connectors like IEC for computers, NEMA for standard appliances, or even heavy-duty twist-lock connectors for high-power equipment. FFC, flat, flexible cable connectors. These low-profile and lightweight heroes provide the perfect solution for terminating these flat cables, ensuring a reliable flow of data and signals within your devices. MCX RF connectors are the tiny titans of the RF world. Think GPS receivers, wireless headphones, or even test equipment. These devices rely on MCX connectors for transmitting radio frequency signals. These space-saving connectors offer a miniaturized alternative to SMA connectors, featuring a convenient snap-on coupling mechanism for easy connection and disconnection. Circular plastic connectors, CPC. These versatile connectors come in various sizes and configurations, built to withstand harsh environments. From extreme temperatures and vibrations to dust and moisture, CPC connectors can handle it all. Imagine them as the super soldiers of the connector world, ensuring a secure and reliable connection no matter how demanding the conditions. SCSI connectors were once the go-to for connecting these peripheral devices to your computer. They came in various configurations, offering high data transfer speeds for their time. However, with the rise of faster and more compact technologies like USB, SCSI connectors have faded from the mainstream. Think of them as the granddads of external device connections, paving the way for the sleek and miniaturized connectors we use today. IDT Insulation Displacement Technology Connectors. If you remember our chat about IDC connectors, IDT connectors are like their close cousins. Both utilize the same insulation piercing technology to establish a connection with flat ribbon cables, commonly found in telecommunications and networking equipment. These space-saving connectors offer a quick and easy installation process, perfect for organizing and terminating multiple wires within networking systems. Hirose Connectors. Also known by their full name, Hirose Electric Company Limited Connectors are renowned for their exceptional build quality and reliability. These aren't your average connectors. They're built to last. That's why you'll find them in various demanding industries, from the intricate wiring within your car to the delicate connectors in medical devices. Hirose Connectors ensure a secure and long-lasting connection wherever high performance is crucial. RF Coaxial Connectors. With names like N-Type, TNC, and SMB connectors, these guys provide a low-loss connection for transmitting radio frequency signals across various applications. They're vital for telecommunication networks, ensuring smooth transition of your phone calls and internet data, as well as in broadcasting, making sure your favorite TV shows and radio programs reach your devices with crystal clear quality. So next time you tangle with a mysterious cable, you'll be able to identify the connector and understand its role in the bigger picture.